All right, so I lost everybody, I think. Now it's just me and you. It is 2 o'clock. I'm gonna see how far I can go for about an hour, then come back. The sun's still shining, and I'm gonna try not to get too tired. Last time I was here, I was with my kids, and they didn't like it. They didn't want to come. So they're some beautiful cliffs. Pretty lonely out here. See if I don't run into hikers, because as I said in my phone, best case scenario, we see some deer. Worst case scenario, we see a bear. That would suck, but I have a backpack that's like full of equipment, camera equipment. Yep, I'm going the right place, the right way. Telling you, I want to see how far I can go, because this time my kids aren't here. And when my kids are here, usually, well, Japheth gets tired pretty easy, but Eliana gets annoyed because she doesn't like hiking or doing outdoor stuff. So far it's looking beautiful. Okay, so over there's the river. It's kind of cool that it's not that wet here either. Saturday morning, getting my cardio going, because when I get home, the heck. I got freaked out by a big, huge trunk. I thought it was a guy hiding behind a tree. I know what you guys are thinking. You're like, well, why are you going over there by yourself, right? Well, because it's daylight and I see some hikers too. I don't see them anymore, but this is actually really beautiful. Here, hold on. Let me go ahead and turn the camera around. I mean, look at that. Look at that. It's so freaking cool. Cliffs, cliffs, cliffs. So I came from way out there. You can barely see people climbing over there. Barely. Here, I'm gonna try to point it out right there. Today's goal is to try and burn 400 calories walking. Oh, there's the people here. Shoot. Go. Ooh, the water went down. Yeah, this is definitely where Japheth and Eliana and I were. Should be kind of cool. Well, I'm gonna do some filming right here. See what kind of shots I get. Hopefully I don't fall down and break my freaking head. That's so freaking cool. That is beautiful. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it here. We're 10 minutes in, and I'm gonna take a few shots because the sun's still up.